Hello everyone. In the last video, we have done over the intro part of our studio code. So, in this video, we will learn over the first lesson. It's learn to drag and drop. So, for that, I have say you on the start learning, you have options find the course. You have get all the options of your studio code courses. So let's start at the first lesson, learn to drag and drop. In that I will show you how to drag and drop our thing. So let's start it. Here you have given options, find the right learning opportunity of for you. So here you have learn for age 5 to 11 and learning for age 11 to and up. So I'm choosing this one. After we will click this one option, after we will see this type of interface have appear on a screen. So in that also you drag your screen and then continue learning at your own pace. This one option you have seen on your screen, pre-reader express courses. So start pre-reader express. So yes, after that we will able to see. Here you have first options, lesson number 1, learn to drag and drop. So we will just start learning that. So click this one first. You have able, I am clicking, you also click it. After clicking you will see, let's see what we see. So you have the options, only click the blocks. So here you upside you have the information, click the block, okay, you just click this one, okay. So in that you just click this, see, first it's completed. After that he showing us congratulations, your complete puzzle 1. So click on this continue options. So after that you visible, after first step done, you have visible here you they showing our second step. For that also you just drag the blocks to get the target. You have upside you have informations what we have to. So just drag, okay, and drag this object on here. Yes, you have completed second step also. Now we go for the third step. Also we will click here continue. After clicking we will see this type of interface. See, here you have to be arrange the block to from the image. So we have to arrange this image using this block. So I am dragging this block here. This image is completed and my step 3 also completed. Now we will click on this continue step 4. So we visible to see step number 4. Arrange the block to from the images. You have images. So for that I'm just blogging here. So congratulations, you completed puzzle number 4. Yeah. Now next is 5. Puzzle number 5. Here you have to be arrange the blocks and making a image. So first I am dragging this block from here. I am choosing this block and the arranging here. After that this it's completed. As you see, congratulations, you completed puzzle number 5. Now we have go ahead for puzzle number 6. So here you also arranging the image and create the image properly. So I am just arranging the image. See, and this one block I am arranging. If you done first, third, second and fourth step, you have idea how to do that, no? Yes. So now go ahead for the 7th for also we do same method. We will arrange the images like that and making here tree. Now complete puzzle number 7 and now go ahead for the puzzle number 8. Arrange the block. Same method here also we apply. We will just arranging over this one block. I am dragging upside. Flowers is completed. Congratulations, you have completed. Same method for all. We will just drag all the blocks and making your image perfect. So first here this image I am dragging here. Now this one dragging here. I think it's done. So congratulations, you completed puzzle number 9. So next also we just do that. Okay, here you have to making a PCs. It's done. Next. Now next you see you have the numbers, so you know how to arrange them. First you just drag this one here and 2 here, and put this 3 one block from here and drag here. Okay, now go ahead for the next puzzles. Here you also have to be drag the block and making like a numbers serial wise, and I'm dragging 3 here and 2 here and the 1 also. It's completed. Finish it. Okay, I hope all of you know. We have completed over chapter number first and learn to drag and drop this one topic. So we have to complete it. As I hope you know how to drag and drop the blocks in this video, I'll show you. So thank you so much for watching us. See you soon.